Welcome back to Daisy Graze. So today's the pigs' last supper. They're going to freezer camp tomorrow, so we're going to run these through just a quick how to weigh a pig. So tomorrow they're off to freezer camp. The chores get done first thing in the morning, so we came out. We're going to weigh these pigs just to see what we get off their live weight and you know, compare it all. So today's a bit of a bittersweet day. Obviously a lot of work and effort's being put into these pigs, but they're not pets. They are actually for our food. So, but still doesn't make it any easier. But yeah, let's crack on. So there's a special formula to work out their weight. I'll probably chuck it up on screen. I don't have it on me, but it's heart girth, which is basically you measure up around their front armpits, if you will, all the way around, and then their length, which is from tail to ears. All right, so, or ears to tail, whatever way you want to look at it. But and then you do other mathematical stuff, which I don't have on me, but I got it in the house, so I'll chuck that up on screen. These boys have lived a really good life here. So they've turned all our paddocks over. So I'll take you over and have a look. You know, a lot of our pasture sort of was all sparse and like this. So I don't know if you watch some of our earlier videos, we rotate these pigs around and move them about, so they got fresh pasture all the time. This is their last move. They're about due to be moved again, but obviously we're not bothering. So this is, I'll show you the section that on a prior video, which will be somewhere there, that we re-sowed after the pigs had gone through for us. And that goes all the way down to there. They basically did this whole run for us. So it's actually come up a tree. So yeah, other than putting food on our table, these pigs worked for us the whole time. Really, really good. Are we going to do this again? It's a big question. We're going to see what we get out of the meat and see how it all runs to then decide whether we go again. But all right, all good. Let's actually see how accurate this is. So one of the pigs had a girth 1.02 meters. You need to square that, so times it by itself, and that'll give you 1.04. Times that by the length, and we had 1.19, so that should give you 1.23. You now have to times that amount by 69.3. This is working in kilograms, guys. All right, so that will have given us a weight for this pig estimate by the tape of 85.23 kilograms. So we've actually had the pigs slaughtered since we shot this video. That particular pig weighed in at 86.9 kilograms. All right, so we're about 1.5 kilos out by using the tape. That's pretty good. So who said you're never going to use your mass after school? I'm really surprised at how accurate that was. But anyway, you can also do, there is another one, I did put it up on the screen, how to do that in pounds. But anyway, that's how we do it in kilos. Thanks for joining us. Like, share, subscribe, all the jazz. But please chuck a comment down below. Thanks for watching.